In my previous video, I successfully turned $50 into $500 using a compounding strategy. Now in this video, I'm taking on a new challenge, growing just $10 into $100 using a 4-step compounding plan. To keep things safe, I have secured all my main capital in my pocket option safe for this challenge, and I'm only trading with $10, aiming to scale it step by step to $100. This video is very important because I won't be trading randomly. Every entry will be based on clear logic, confirmation, and strategies that actually make sense in real market condition. I will be also sharing insights and techniques that most traders overlook, the kind of details you rarely see and explained properly. So make sure you watch this video until the very end. Alright traders, so in this particular currency pair AUD USD, I have taken a put entry as soon as the previous candle closed. I have taken my put entry based on market structure. What I mean by market structure is what the current market is doing. And by naked eyes, you can see that the market is making lower lows. You see, market is moving in this way, making lower lows, correct? So technically, this particular green candle doesn't make sense in the middle of a seller's loop when the major trend is downtrend. And if you notice, the green candle has closed inside the previous red candle body, which is my additional confirmation to take a put entry, as our major trend here now is downtrend, even though it looks bullish, but we have to align major and minor trend. Also, the last green candle is a weak green candle, which has made me to take this trade for a put entry, and that was a winning trade. My first step compounding is successfully done. From $10 I have made $17. Now I'm going to take my next trade using this $17. Trading will be effortless if you know basic concept of market structure, candlestick psychology, and here I am not using any indicators. I am trading in a blank chart using some basic concept of trading, and I will be revealing one by one to you. So I want you all to stick to this video until the very end so that it'll be very easy for you to do your next compounding session in your live account. All right, traders, so now we are here in AUD CAD currency pair, and I can see a liquidity sweep going on. If this current candle closes as a red one or a green one, it doesn't matter. I am going to take my put entry, which I did. I have directly taken my put entry at the opening of the candle. Why? Because I have a very strong reason for this. Nobody is going to explain you, but I will explain you. So in the screenshot, you can see the liquidity sweep has happened. The candle has closed as a red one, sweeping the previous highs, and you see there is a support. We have got multiple support. Before that, we don't have any support, so there is plenty of space for this candle to go down. This is the reason why I've taken a put entry, and you see market is in a ranging situation also. Because of this, I have taken a put entry, and with that, my second step compounding is also successfully completed. I am aiming to do a 4-step compounding challenge, and this is my second step. But here is one problem. This candle is too big. If the candle was a normal size red candle, I would have taken a put entry one more time in the same chart. But since this candle is too big, and this can either suggest that sellers are exhausted, market can reverse. So I will not be taking any trades on that chart. I will look for high probability trade setup. As I am doing a compounding session, I will not be risking my amount gambling. So let's see, and let's find that high probability trade setup. All right, so in this particular chart, market looks in an uptrend situation. The current trend is making higher highs, even though the major trend looks downtrend to me. Let's mark our levels like so. Not the trend line, but a horizontal line. Okay, so let's see if the current market has respected this level. All right, so here this is a very strong horizontal reversal zone, but I'm going to take a call entry. Why? Because you see, in the past, market has respected this level multiple times, and in the present, the market has already been reversed with two red candles from the same zone. But market, without going down, it has given us one strong healthy green candle. meaning that the strength of the buyers are more than the strength of the sellers. So this is most probably this is a breakout area, which is why I've taken a call entry, and as you can see, this trade is also going in my favor, and that particular resistance level is no more needed because that is now not as strong as it should have been. So the next reversal zone is here, which is this level, so market can go up to that area. So let's see how this candle closes. After this trade, I can take one more call entry in the same chart because the next reversal zone is up there. So I'm going directly with my call entry, and this is my fourth step compounding in the same chart. Let's see how this candle reacts. According to my analysis, the next reversal zone is the green horizontal line, which I have marked. And you see the previous green candle was a strong, healthy green candle, which actually did break out of our strongest resistance level. And this trade is going exactly in my favor. The next candle will also be a green one, but since I'm doing 4-step challenge from $10 to $100, this fourth trade has successfully given me my target. This current candle is definitely going to close as a green one, and yes, even the next candle has high tendency to close as a green one, but my challenge here was to complete my 4-step challenge, that is from $10 to $100, and I have successfully achieved my target. These all are my trades. I hope you guys have learned something new. And yes, if you want to join my Telegram channel, make sure to check that out in my description box below because I have provided my link. And I'm signing off for today. I'll come back with another powerful video. Until then, happy trading.